All right, team, we're at Mr. Birt's house, looking at new system. Could be a deluxe, could be a standard. At this point, we're just going to take a video on how we're going to do it. So let me get a little bit more of a perspective here on what you're looking at, okay? It sits, you've got one trunk line that runs through all the walls, okay? It's kind of an old air handler. And then what it does is you've got your filter rack here, which was then connected to a metal box, which goes into like a return wall chase, okay? Now, if you build a 10-inch box or a 10-inch platform, you can put a 2-inch filter rack on top of that, and you're going to be able to fit a 45-inch air handler. You're just going to have to cut and adapt there. To fill this gap, because you're going to be removing this filter rack and you're going to be removing this transition, you're just going to bring the sheet metal all the way to the new air handler, and that will link up your 10-inch box down below to the wall chase, which is going to provide the return, and it will all flow through the filter, which sits on top. Obviously, redo the drain kit, make sure it has a primary drain switch on it. Obviously, we won't need this because the breaker will now be on the air handler unit itself. And then on the previous install, we would include swapping out, and I've got pictures, the filter rack that we left in place from the last install. It does need to be changed as well. Thank you.